Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is light activated switch using IC555. The components required for this project are one breadboard, one 10 kΩ potentiometer, one LDR, one 1 kΩ resistor, one 470 ohm resistor, one LED, one IC555, some connecting wires, one 9V battery and a battery snapper. First of all, take IC555, keep the notch point to the left side and place the IC on the breadboard. Connect pin number 1 of IC to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 8 of the IC to the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 6 of the IC to positive rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 4 and 8 of the IC together. Take a 10 kΩ potentiometer and place it on the breadboard. Short terminal 1 and the wiper terminal of potentiometer. Take one LDR, connect its one terminal to the positive rail of the breadboard and another terminal to terminal 1 of the potentiometer. Connect terminal 2 of the potentiometer to the negative rail of the breadboard. Take a 1 kΩ resistor and connect it between wiper terminal of potentiometer and pin number 2 of the IC. Take one 470 ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now take one LED. The longer terminal is positive and the shorter terminal is negative. Connect the positive terminal to another terminal of resistor and negative terminal to pin 3 of the IC. Now let's test the circuit by connecting the battery. So connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive rail of the breadboard. And negative terminal of battery to the negative rail of the breadboard. So right now the LED is off. When I fall the light on the LDR, the LED turns on. And when I remove the light, the LED turns off. You can adjust the sensitivity of the circuit by rotating the knob of the potentiometer. Whether you want the intensity of light to be more or less, you can control that by rotating this knob of the potentiometer. So this is how a light activated switch project works. Thank you.